people from 5 different countries: Sierra Leone, Liberia, Benin, Ghana, and Nigeria itself. And more for free bands copyright for
Okay.
And music and diverse and comparing the standard quality of the sound two-way different. And I start to make cars also one dozen. And I have to come to suit us, and I'm also to suit us. At the end of the day, mentor my leverage,
Charlie, nice one. It's the end. After waiting now the years by, right?
And I'm releasing yes. Produced by
Kiwa. Oh yes. You man na obi atrama wana se wow you man na utroy.
Okay. Oh yes no. Anyone your mental health na mature.
One out troy.
Me na mature. Me ka say me na mature. First verse na chorus no. Abranti amesi so no. Second verse no. Na me in rap. Okay. Kobra na ba ho. And I also be chair here. Na afia na watch bibi ni ba so. Yeah, or the only make no eti no director so a hand say. Intimate me dey kwai me to first verse here to chorus. Second verse me rapping was Abranti to and rap it. To say now the to first one. Instead of rapping fatin no the tone say any need. But I say after no oh yes the me na sure.
Ti ko ba na boa o.
Oboa me yes.
And can you say can you better answer rap be ni
Oh reggae pan rap.
But if oh yes no. As oh yes by no. Who say or life. You taking 10,000, going 14,000 with a car and bringing coming out with oh yes.
With oh yes.
Oh yes and say or life.
Nyamie mu krani. Oh yes no it's a boosting me pa.
So.
A boosting me kwan bebre so. But when you say after mentor no before I said me release oh yes and sana make a project fame.
Okay.
And I'm not MPK na obi any because I feel I am starting my first song too. It's yeah academy house na share Nigeria. Tina some current hotel mine. Until you move it to the hotel no. And I say omu yi nko for say mo contestant back on say or a musician or Ghana. And I'm ball oh yes video no entina I say akati across into me ba fie na ma promotion ko entino and I'm oh yes so na artist be so to friend me say I should be part of their song. This or chame kwa me say friend ye Sika D Black friend ye Wara me sa ko de any update to say Azonto Fiesta. Oh yeah
features they are doso. No one say yes. Now if they almost all life, no say what ko ni. Tina cash ba.
Na cash ba. Na eba na so san de she.
And now those days no say fraud for feature now charge.
Oh no.
Un charge. No, you flow say be feature me un charge.
You know, I say mpenufo what I say, you know, then obi an say music industry mo no. Yeah, current music industry mo no because obuwa we na we aboa. You know, obuwa we na we aboa we na we so aboa chana. Yeah, you know. And if you move so also they sort you out. What I say, maybe they sort you out. Or driving out call they make sure. And I say you travel videos so they provide everything. Costume wise and BBRS.
Oh yes, what me release album?
Me view oh yes no me release Prodigy album me your friend Prodigy.
Okay.
And also not oh yes also Twitter also yeah a couple of songs also.
But what me your shows boy out of especially oh yes in the behind
oh yes in the
what me your shows bo mpa nyaska.
Me shows
bo shows pa
me bo shows pa
sa
yeah both inside and out me bo shows pa me bo shows
bobu amana na nyina
oh yes Twitter where you be kan okra na say
ai and they say man lie
Twitter where you be kan na say
bo shows okay it remember say no show our bo pa kese pa we fi en chube
you ko ye
platform
you ko ye program bi
Rome
Italy I think it was Milano yeah. And no, it was quite going. Meet me a kind blacks are myself, Peter, Samuel, Honorable Samuel Nkrumah, and 2 other blacks. You know, other fighting. And I was said they I don't see behaving by taking kind of near feel I will cook a very you set to Kunyama, I set me guitar or harmony. So when you're choir, you sit down, lights, sports. Oh, it was awesome. And when you are singing, everybody is quiet. I say, sure, we and everybody stood up. We are born and saying, you although say, I say, I felt say, hey, I'm on TV, standing ovation, they came around, you took pictures, they've been put on almost as to me to better Europe because I'm like beer. But oh my.
Now, show Ben or Abba regret it. Was a show do quite put me bush will be now to say, hey, show Ben a wood show be rain fish after now some show go buy that show the that they have a mood after show and regret show Ben.
Me to me who say me say a regret and I say a lesson and I say a day but I
am koye
to say me and Casa performance now.
What you say? Also bit me bush show we are. Enyama bebre akoye fans no slow maybe a sound slow ono kasa ni mura kra slow payment kra so slow bibia slow but say ni je me bonya na disappointment and dey say when nu say sa show me ko boy
because program be wo Kumasi I think tech
program ben
me shut down program but as na aka on last paper on be sure na on there be so now okay guys we do in the last paper no I think some fans say paper ni Saturday show ni Friday and I mean me na student so say open time ko sua dey kakra koda also program so check me ko ka che me ma o say bebe na me ni ejuma me ma ko ka che event organizer and say on my member perform and sana drama group na perform I say oh we say papa na oh drama group is so almost we that it's not we are sorry now we are sorry it's a do me so no me start here no oh as a wish you like who say insu to kakra but to be na so for man no insu na ko oh as o mu me cry me come with him say eh na go for ya obi am friend say me meto nyumo na oh my mo dey
it took quite an intro and I started today oh yes and I started today
oh girls with the almost me start me the wara me D black wara na start here me start here maybe we just be more pam oh then we encourage you
na me praise now I dey
it me gina baby fa kon and on say obi power say me to me nyankofo bi etena ase but honestly me kan on ko na me ti kan on etena ase no
what's that now we have
1 row 2 row second row even 1 row 2 3 even with the 1 2 3 rows in the crap no ye tutu one funny thing is say not do ni so sa
do ni so do be say
oh me kai but not do ni so sa
that's what regret it
but them dey teach me yan fa form ya the flight na ko you know baby am ko die so there na
it will go my hotel probably flight city one driving 4 hours 5 hours
kan kamesu ntim dey na teach me
what you like where's TV Africa mini kesse and you was say bon komo mo na che mo drop mo question bi am pese mo bisa na freestyle section SBTV Africa DJ Nyame mini kesse na wa say dey bon komo until they drop comment ba ko question bi a so mo na che me kra me hu na che and no abi piwa it kesse yan hwe after we you see some years ba me see so na say oh yes boso we free train nyum ne koso if you dem ko tell am say kesse say what happened also say nyum no we jai to you see how bad gospel so yeah everybody saying sir calling or fret everybody saying
okay on say kesse say
ça me tell you say kesse say
yes
I think it's online or something
yes enye mepe. It's a offer. Enye mepe senka mepe pa kan still can me yes but me ankasa no and share me one because we some years back time when I me bomi club DJ na sorry down park see do asofo sorry beji convention ya there you know ya pon no akosa sam kunya no makobo ni asesa kunya no you know asofo ba ko the nisa to me so na professor ya bi sokra no se be do be ni me ba be na me juma and I yankopon so the prophecy na ba we den twimu time beba be twimu nti no eno na abi twamu a
ba me ba o nti wo ye musician a o ko ba wo ye onumu ji bia o bo show si ade o ka kire wo so pese wo ye gospel no me mbra o ma me side no prayer side of anything ne no ka kire onu ni susu mu se o mami me pese isi a no me jai because me so no ni close me jai sa me pese isi a me ye gospel
omo po de my soul de but bibia happen for a reason
adey
because
then my soul de
omo de na omo hade omo ka de bia mama nkwa sorry ma sorry ko nsha dan CP ni ade enti na it was part of their dream say bia me ba be gospel enti no day na me kan say me decide no oh Jesus oh rade eta uni mama foi
mommy
uni mama foi
okay so we gospel oh Jesus
yeah sure was so good there dan say was sorry
sir
yeah because it was a bibi ana onyaya and I realized say na a bibi so a enya me mama nko apart from my family it was something and my fans too were also praying say a gospel rather than me because if you read their comments on social media if I post like this is what you are supposed to do this is what, and about maybe my personal encounter with God there serious the dreams and all that.
Okay, the embranty o dey no obi wo baka to say dey no she dwan na e friend obi so na market obi so na obi so wada o dey happen how
Dying me die
so die say then
yeah me countless dreams because say if me the current one air to two old ones now and you started so me die from secondary school as I say be o wa me so die na jack CB to a be more pray be more struggle obi pray for his or her life but we na many ati sometimes I'll have a dream na journey di me chi dey chase me but okususu hu chiro obi a o se wo nya sure say okodi be nku ni nkwan bi na fa trip na wo so die you know nko focus so I took it as one of those dreams so as time course now the current one I had in there it was serious it was dream in a dream what's the answer we need to be that
answer one night
yes one night
oh wait me
to say be a wada said because say calling into you show be the person nyame friend no no yichen so wada but dying no who say body na ada unam baby was also die for what that you are asleep normally and also die I won't say only but you never see your body say body that but you can see yourself you are lying down and you are dreaming again in you seeing yourself
and the old can in chichemuno obi na interpreting ma na say dying na
dying
no usu san die anyway no obi na so
and till and almost it is like so had a direct encounter with God.
Okay.
So you don't even need to tell a prophet because I remember I went to a church. Because sorry, I am friend, you know, come there I have a feeling saying that you be friend. Also for new on occasion say you don't need a prophet to prophesy on you. And you don't need a prophet prophesy on you, take your dream serious. And you know, die anymore. Nina mete a very strong neck. But in your you know, I quite say na yeti has say. Meaning, say we interview na me coffee. Musu ni say we are there all 12 you maso. Me near my son, unim do okoye. Ebi mu ni say omo they accuse nim say they are being judged to go to hell. Obi nim say definitely we there or go heaven. Nti ebi mu apart omo ha say ya. Ebi mu bom paye, omo ni agye, omo hye white. Ebi mu so twi suruku. Omo nim say oh ye wi ha na ye ko. And I was told to watch the two of them. Say if Ojame Mame Babioma, that is what I heard. Ojame Mame Babioma into the body I'm seeing now. Am I going to do his work? And all I could see is that I was just crying. Tim su na Ojame. Ojame na me sorry. Tim sorry me I saw me big buy na first 1 week no I was holy because when you demako the following week na me call record the Bugatti container. Yeah. The following week, say it is like the devil was once a singer in heaven, and he was kicked on earth. So his seat is still there. So anybody who chooses to do the work of God, to sing, to win souls, the devil will look for any means to cut you off. It is a obe yeniama be to waste your time untimi nko sorry then on am club watching how you say your friends and all that. But I said so it was very difficult for me to accept the calling because I was looking back say hey nami jaina me start here. I can't go to the nightclub, I can't hang out with his friends again, I can't do this, I can't do that. Now you be friend also for now you be feminine, you know, and in the morning na Nyankopon so there when he calls you he knows how to get you. So at the end of the day, he was able to grab me, and I thank him for that. Nkofo be brave. Obi yeshe no come say obi car be born when pie o shefi na articulate and be born with you. So if we are still alive and the sweet voice God has given me, why don't I worship him with my voice?
Before I try me live ni SBT Africa me kese nyumtuni kese ene wa say. Ba kese ma me hwe me back before I also started gospel ni ade ni before we as a calling we ni ade na ya swording ni finally no we accept this say we gospel. I think it's one funny easy.
No, never.
We gospel no. Challenges been on fame at a particular time. The same.
Well, the greatest challenge which I don't regret those challenges because and also share me them. But upon all the challenges, the greatest one was going out because na many sorry on those days and say if me go out Friday I say yeah or night no na me go club. At the beach Saturday you be sign pay. At the beach Sunday be a Saturday you be papia we free club for like 4-5 a.m. Over down you can't go to church. And at church and sooner a bit me I encourage you for you to worship God more. So if I was like it was a big challenge for me to stop going out, hanging out because almost this is what it say it me the church. So it was difficult for me to come out of that bondage. But thanks be to God that he has made me come out of that.
Time I over out so I say oh see how to gospel the music oh see how you no lyrics na san. See how no right now you share who push and call into because of that no free say gospel side na nya dey ending na odo hu akọ what service up person your gospel. I don't know so what nyama be say.
Oh yeah mate. But I just want to tell those people saying that and they say I am deep to the extent say the ocean is even afraid of me. I'm very deep when it comes to writing, aside everything. When it comes to composing, I could have I still be doing the secular songs, but one thing that ama many aje I mean TD or more kind of more is those days I used to release my songs, you know, a month to be but and some people get to hear of it. I struggled before like a check, you know, things worrying, but with gospel, you know, because I released them not even more than a month. The song is everywhere. It means indeed God is talking. You know, forget them. People will always talk. Oh yeah, then Papa now you didn't you know yeah in a chance but I say yeah in a chance or you say or a hypocrite or blasphemy against God and also no so I don't really my mind is not there.
Mami bisa o say me bisa wo nyuma wa trotro bi wo nyuma wa tregu opa.
Bebre, I did my next album called The Rebirth. Yes.
And your gospel me can't lose this.
Could you Danko can testify to this? He came to the studio to listen to all the songs, and he was just a funny tune. Beautiful songs, beautiful nice songs, and I was ready to.
Before I remember that particular question, I said maybe sorry. When my boy in way back, the end of your favorite bar. Oh, back the head anyway.
Semitia. Well, oh yes, dear. Oh yes, will still be oh yes.
Oh yes, and the oh yes, the Ghanaian spare pan, and oh yes, and
I mean, now don't you want to answer?
I know look at oh yes, time. But Mammy Misa, she said, "Oh, you be what true? I that's all, my boy. Are you ready to give that music? Say, we based your pay, and that's one up and coming artist be now say or talent and say or say also or yenyu or only any secular music." Are you ready to sell or to give, to support anybody with lyrics and what true? I wanted that.
Also, what kind look at me refi the very but what kind look at. I say, remember Lot's wife. And now who follow the story now? They can remember Lot's wife now. It means Tama angels no call Sodom say or say except or rescue Lot and then the wisdom for. Lot nene mba enti no mo kono abofo ne catch say men hwe which there was a command men hwe which one kind of reason why but omo kono they felt say Sodom na ye Japadi Sodom na me Porsche ni wo Sodom na me Rolls Royce ni wo this city is where my wealth is so say ye free city ni e ma me hwe mechi enti o hwe which it means what dream san wo chi say bokofa. And to remember Lot's wife, I don't feel it, you know, that ain't. So if me now me say Master Sano, say me tone, me throw secular song, Emma will be said on me twa.
This is the question I am focused. So are you saying say I'm to secular music, and I'm to gospel, I'm to secular music, no? They are doing evil, and I say evil, and I said they are not serving God.
No. I'm not saying that.
Me person me bisa also obi tie.
I know, right?
Omo to secular music. See how no.
Yes.
We always say omo obi to secular music. How who say?
Oh, me who ne shey but in Bible am born say Nyankopon be kan nipa na koma na onu so eku kan. Because you see areas mu ha no. They say mama fa ha anya example. Who say before answer na unya workers no. Workers ne buy na say what on money na. We are there. You omo to AC no watches ni bibia computer ni bibia. One hour person, so they need to succumb to you. In other words, they need to respect worship you, not like worshiping God, but they need to because you created the thing. And now, Nyankopon so or your own creator. You be an born or no about we say boy say what I say. And now, but some could be ni money born by and you almost have a different parts of the creation. And you know, say if they are evil, then it means I'm being hypocrite. Look, I was once like them. So I'm just praying.
I don't say they are sinners.
No, I don't. I don't. I can't say we are perfect. Nobody is perfect. But sometimes on I'm crying, I want to meet here. I'm watching. I only know what I say. So I feel say, send a young couple me far more. I'm just praying. I pray every day. Say, oh, I'm also with me. Because if you do be Jesus Christ to remember, a banner of a running account. We all know where we go.
So, what can say? Open so almost so open by some who crying. And I say, just a secular musicians in the my year, who crying here.
Then he said, because the reason why here, he preach the agenda of Christ, and they say, a bit more asakra, a bit more hunyame. Added an anchor use to ember because almost opposite or do we say or do like pay us or say you can ban in chain. Until say if the cocase and I say I was once like them. I'm not judging nobody. But if you do it any one class, if you do it, no friend say, oh, Charlie, see, I did
the reason I make us say, when you are so for week, I say, we don't have anything like that if you are singing. music, every music is a label. Every music is a music. We a Christian, we do it meeting. But a moon semini be. See, you more can you be why a moon semini be. But you listening to love songs, a part of us. You listening to love songs and you listening to it doesn't mean say
perfect.
Some particular of when omo ye wiase fo and omo nkwa sorry and omo ye we
perfect.
It's not a question can be said.
Now let's deduce it down. Okay. Obi oha. Onyo sofo. Obi oha onye on to gospel song. Osumi nyame all right. Oye ni bibi obey nyankopon ba obey. The chances of going to heaven is 100%. Obi also oye ni na abi. Chances not to go no say 100%. Now back to your question. Maybe there no different. Now commit me I was in the shoes of maybe I meet encouraging songs. Of course, na nampe do more. To listen to those songs too. At least me feel love because when me worry na me share them one. You are Alpha and so we need to listen to that song because of Solomon. Songs of Solomon. But back to your question, the meme there no. I was doing a secular song. And I was called. This one, mine is different from the old canon.
Sanga ba better question bi ba wa mama embedded na wo what kind of question but wa mama and bisa question na person bi bisa no. So right now the person bisa say kesi. Right now before I paper to win you will be a secular musicians the first of all. Why na say industry no na ya otie in musician men out here.
Oh, may honestly speaking, when it comes to a new one, I I listen to them.
Why now? Okay.
Mami free haka cancer. R. Kelly, he does club songs, he does profane songs, but I believe I can fly. Or victory songs. Or a shit me pan crying. What I say. And Oba I listen to a whole lot of songs. But I listen to Kwabra, I listen to Kwabra, I listen to Kojinchi, I listen to Joe Metal, I listen to Adam Meku. Calling someone, I listen to them. But see, I'm a music listener. I call more of the Jumana because me to me I am doing gospel music and every day I'll be listening to. It will not encourage me enough to. I need to speak the mind of God. And speaking the mind of God, you need to practice it by reading your Bible, by listening to songs that will open your mind. Sometimes it meets you, if you are Joe Metal, you not many inspiration from it. Now I hear a voice out of them. What I say, that is.
It is as a secular musician, CB, because of the future, because it means a gospel artist, so much me feature, a high life for in the raps, normally be machine. See, no secular musician friend say, "Oh, my person will feature me was a particular minister. Will do it."
Not a gospel. Why not? Do you know the funny thing? A bit discriminating. I'm not here to discriminate because I see myself. Say I was once like them. It's old friend. If it is a gospel music, we can do it. And mind you, last week we could hear interview wife when me hear short worship be one caller called and say and you know, Matono Wama Wafa Yesu, Mama Wafa Yesu. When I'm saying, I said, so, mind you, Ebia, no minister artist in Ebia, Shatawale, Ebia, near and Sa future now, which is gospel song. Mind you, Ebia, half of the fans will see the light. So, I will not discriminate. I can never discriminate.
Oh, shall be live or SVTV Africa, many cases, any train come where my Mimbisa Obiga say, Mimbisa comments. Baron Sam1 says, this guy will have been a legend too. He said you have been a legend. It's
Baron.
He was. Or you mean if you were in Nigeria? If he was in Nigeria, Ghana will always kill the shine of great talent with negativity. You support that? Ghana will. Like if you were in Nigeria. You would have been a legend, a great legend. But Ghana, who believes say, Ubina Ghanaians na kill down and my bro was it.
Obia very massive.
Was it Ghana will always kill the shine of great talent.
Say your see this like I said me turning to crisis, you know. People are just on my neck. They be oh, yeah, bomb pie always am back. Why must a renowned panel member from a renowned station, from a renowned platform, being a no catch it beer, was say what any who you soon say over some back to you.
One the cast
I am too young to do worship song. I am too young to worship God. Hey, in think I've been trying many accidents, not me nine back on and I mean liver problem, and I'm in front of me because of some I are written, I'm yes, I'm written me no. And you would also encourage me.
Negativity, no. Okay, so Vija Sajuka says good evening to you. NS Jemfi says watching you live from Moscow, Russia. I love this guy, Paul. But
thank you.
But all of a sudden he vanished. Why, Kessie? Jacob says true. Let me just go. But mommy, me also let me drop a comment or questions. I hope so. Be some many Kessie. SBTV Africa. Drop a comment now. Yeah. Kessie, mommy, back to the gospel.
Yes.
Gospel way. Maybe I can say gospel in the year.
Oh, but 7 years.
Prophet away, Diane Money and DNA Cobani Nano. Nyakuban can just say, pastor. Evangelist.
And the young kind. The what kind of me?
Auntie Nyakubo Chira or Diamu said it, dear. I saw you over to gospel.
Yes.
Musician.
Yes.
If your gospel industry, gospel industry, you know, who is saying?
Oh, me Abafish. Me buy in chair. But to me side in there, I feel say it is going well on my side. But they're not
your side, but industry.
They're not me work a trainer and me from me who how me can me who be I feel say to generalize everything. Nyame ba ko na yeso and say if you gidi say nyame ba ko na yeso na nyame yodo nyame ba no we should love to everyone. He didn't discriminate. So we should love ourselves. Without unity we can't. If we see a brother or a sister in Christ wafolia, we should encourage the person. We shouldn't stand somewhere to mock the person. And my young bomb say even I don't even pray for Obi a own Christ to fall. I don't pray for anybody's downfall. And if truly that the gospel you are preaching, if it is truly from God, and if truly Nyamena Afro say I don't think we should love ourselves. We should love ourselves. Maybe a different God they are fine. But if it is the God that we are all serving, He is love. So we should love ourselves.
What your gospel music say and saying gospel music only say we say the womb. Say gospel they would see
the spirit. Who say church for instance, when we are worshiping, it is calm, cool. You are Alpha and Omega. It has to touch you to enter into the spirit. Now entering into the spirit, it is like me playing keys and now I'm playing. Yeah, you need to vibe it up. Hosanna, praise God, now too. I can't say that some are making noise. I think we are all doing it well. But in the other hand, we all need lectures. The same me saying I pass through music like musical lectures.
If we say gospel artists need be here education be.
No, I didn't say that. We all need lectures because myself I look up to someone.
Okay.
Get inspiration from someone to answer say whether will be here and I will be here. I think
it's one out here now if say on your feature.
Oh. Main point.
Oh, but so go to the gospel mean we assess na oka do metal money where bobo artist me. Oh, we say oh me won you be amateur artist bia wo nyum watro. So won you be watro we say o person features are particular artist way o wɔ nneɛma a yɛsi saa na mo ti mi yɛ o nyɛ sɛ nya nyɛ mo die
ɛnum bi a o try to me say
we yɛ nyɛ mo target we mi pɛsɛ mi gye ti na wɔn na o pipe na o pi sɛ o next way a o pɛsɛ o pɛsɛ o feature saa pass.
Okay o say ɛna I will take you back to me ba mo nkyɛn ɛnti sisi apaa deɛ the focus is on me. Currently the focus is on me, so in the future if Obi Bami to man, I'll contact the person and we'll work it out.
My main can comment this is here. Jay Kofi says I see him to be on top of Ghana's gospel music. Okay. Mweneba Etiaku Kweku, thanks for joining us. Kwabena Wills Alotia says, wow, traditional media and negativity. Big ups, Kessie. Big ups with the good work. Okay.
Thank you.
I'll say Raskin Bobo says he has been in the music industry for a long. Okay. I used to record at the same studio with him. When you asking at Bones Studio.
Bones.
I'll say Bones Studio.
Raskin
Bobo UK.
Okay.
But I say now on recording with Bones Studio.
Bones Studio.
Okay, Albert, anytime, Habib Ali, thanks. Kofi says it's happening in the okay. Dream in a dream. Okay. So
dream in a dream.
Dream in a dream.
Three different.
So they all kind of anything. It's interesting to see where gospel. I don't know, take you so long. What's that fee for some? Because we could break how many years?
Not actually. I was still releasing, but I was releasing underground. And
why were you releasing underground?
Because I was also working on myself to stop. Although it was very difficult for me, so it got to a point. I told myself that I need to stop going for programs. I need to stop going for interviews. I need to stop everything.
Why?
That will make me continue to do my old songs, so that I'll be able to work on myself. You have to when God calls you, you need to leave everything.
Nyakupa flow, which a good thing, but looking at it, who feels undisappointed with fans,
No.
Because disappointed with fans.
They say
now to new but they are looking upset, and now say, oh, we are praying or blah. They are looking, say, oh, boss on part, and all of a sudden, no. Also, see, I will jai sign, no bobium, now gospel. Officer won't disappointed me.
Well, to disappoint human and please God will be best.
Okay.
And I feel I'm not disappointing anyone, but rather they love what I'm doing. Because when you go to my social media platforms, it is boosting.
Oja nyom no bona also bo gospel no. Obi share na obi hu okroma, obi nka bi show. Say your personal like, oh, you see this guy, your boy's song. He say now he sing gospel. Those kind of things, someone can be sure.
Oh, I even hear people saying what they will say. Oh, he is frustrated. That is why he's doing this. Or because his music is dying. That is why he's singing. But you know that is how God also works. He want to. When God calls a billionaire, all of a sudden, you know God has already blessed the person. So you will not see the strong word.
You don't see the difference.
You don't see the difference. But when he picks you, when people feel you are the road is buburuja for you, he picks you up so that he grows you. You now people are seeing my seed. They should wait to see the fruit. Okay. So that is how God works.
So Kessie, say Charlie push you wait. So me bisa say it's how they then now they about out then now my sister they also release it will be say coming and not release underground no media ni a man for so much say no so mu now yes
now I enter this place and I get so many contacts after my my interview. No, we have frame me. No, we have frame me. I want to interview. I want to do this. I want you to come to my church. And it is the Holy Spirit connectivity. He can connect you, and you'll be shocked.
You see, I call interviews.
Yes. Sunday, this comes Sunday. I have 3 interviews before church. Until I wish I can meet me at Chilimu 3. BHL, Believers Home of Life. Yes. Yes, but any more because my Bobby is guitar, sorry. But this Sunday I'm performing my new song in church. Fire.
Charlie, what's the new song then?
Well, early this year I released Mehu Yesu. Yes, Mehu Yesu. And it is very prophetic.
My baby mama 3 minutes no to Mehu Yesu no more.
Mehu Yesu. So it is very prophetic. I've seen the light. I've given myself to Christ. He should use me as He wants.
Worship.
He took me out of slavery. I'm not going back. No turning back. Me want my Jesus. Say on fire. Me your bed. Me oh. I'm a Jesus. Say on fire. Me your bed. Me oh. I'm a Jesus. On fire me your bed. Now listen. Me sai me come chibio debio. Me sai me ko engwasumu bio. Frisa me di me I'm a Jesus. On fire me your bed. I have given my life to Christ, so He should use me in any way He wants. I have given myself to Christ, so He can use me the way He wants. I'm never turning back. Debut. When he said, we feed you soon at my the English version. I don't have the English version.
Yanko.
Yes.
Yanko.
Yes. I'm never going back to my olden days because I've given myself to Jesus Christ. He should use me in any way He wants. I will never turn back. No way. I will never go back to the slavery because I've given myself, my life to Jesus Christ. He should use me in any way He wants.
Wow! Cassie in the house.
I think I have to do the English version.
Yeah. Yanko.
I'll where you me free. Me how ni nemu. Nyame me free. Mama ni emu. Na wasa to me pono. Wamatafu weni mede. Where you me free. Me how ni nemu. I give glory to God.
Wow, that's Cassie for you. Cassie voice in that so.
I am more.
Voice in that so.
I am more.
What is here? Say what you say? Charlie is here no. Spices a bit more. So what I say? A tiny volume.
One guy said that when I come to his studio, when he records me, there's no need for me to use auto-tune and skirmishes.
Where to see an title?
Not the first one. Mehu Yesu. It is out.
So is it online for download?
It's online for download. It's online for streaming. You can buy it Amazon, iTunes, Spotify, everywhere.
So kasi sisi ane worship nkwana obeya na say o the reggae baby o the praises baby man na say then.
Okay, it is a ministry. My ministry is like the church. Because at the end of the day we are winning souls to Christ. So I started with worship. Now I have a brand song out there. I released it not long ago called Sweet Jesus.
Sweet Jesus.
Yes, after seeing Christ, I tested.
Yeah, sweet Jesus, I love you.
No. No, this
That
is
is how
this
sweet
is
Jesus is.
how sweet Jesus is. Jesus is like you know a bowl of salad. A bowl of salad, it contains different kinds of vegetables.
Yeah.
You can find lettuce, you can find carrots, cabbage, and of green pepper and all that. And in Christ you can find grace. There is peace, there's joy, there's hope, there's love, there's everything, abundance of grace. Yes, so I want the world to know how sweet Jesus is. The title is Sweet Jesus.
Sweet Jesus. And also we know
Everywhere.
It's usually him say what the album be ba na say this year na kasa ko what the album be ba na say this
Yes, I'm almost done with my album, but mean interested this year.
Yes. But any featuring so far also?
See how the future will be, but I'll put someone on it so that we can cut across.
One officer.
Not and also Ubisa not yet.
And the Nipa no need to confirm.
No. You know, with God, everything is possible.
Say Nyankopon am minim say be possible me say why na o pese it's all my why na o pese only ofi say only be share album no so.
Say Udi Kanka said there's this kind of song that pops up and you feel that let me put this person in, let me put this person in. So I'm still working on it. When a song comes and will be popular, I'll let.
So but definitely you feature somebody.
Definitely.
But Osha, see our level now to see no. The watch or pipeline and many idea no. Osha Ghana is very accepted the style no.
You know, yes.
Say you may cause chain.
Yes.
Also, them bills say, and then bills are wolf here now, Shemanam. Also, now, but who shed no more day by now? Who is away Ghanaians pay way, international market pay, I won't want to cheap away. It will try no more day by no shot. Ghanaians be accepted.
Yes, and the world will accept it, and they have accepted it
already.
In spirit. Already. I can't really go on my Facebook, but I can read the Obi kind someone from Benin. He sent me a message last night on Facebook said, thank you very much, Kessie. Although I don't understand your song, but I am touched. God bless you. So music has no barrier.
Oh, said it
yes, no matter what. Legitimate. You see, no.
Oh, take the Omoka.
Yes. And you know, Mehu Yesu is a worship song, but Sweet Jesus is contemporary, like my contemporary punk.
Punk. I don't know who pesa punk with her from Titinia. Who pesa brand with her?
When I cut my hair down, the way people laugh at me. My head is like that of a bird's head. My head is small.
Oh, no.
I love this.
You love this style.
Yeah.
Punky Joe. No way who the way go so. Life wo challenge but my mention the yemra sisi no. Oh yes I we nyina o ko ba nyina bra bomu ni ade no. You see how the support man now where are you getting the support to do this recording music video shooting near there you coming to Ocean the record label be say one is so one is push you
me share under any record label also me start in chair and it's so amazing how God works you know and because it is his work and because he has called me and he wants me to preach out the gospel to the people. He touches the heart of people to help me, and he's really doing it. I never lack.
I think go for rather than support.
Yes, people support me.
But are you looking as a musician? There's only Obi manage you. So are you open? And are you ready? Say the Obi say record label because say me per se me kesi I want me say sign no ye juma.
Of course, it is work. You need people to push you. You need people to aside Nyame Afro. You need a team to really hit you to the world for people to know that this is what you have for the world.
Yeah, well, a lot of management teams holding gospels and record labels near there. The end of the office say, oh, me just a team where I'll work with them.
I can't select a particular team. or I can't select a particular record label, but if
Oba,
yes,
approach
so far as they are very consistent. So far as the work will move on, so far as we can cut across, because it is not just Ghana alone. We need to spread across the continent.
So your doors are open. So any crowd, maybe I know here.
Yes.
Your doors are open. Okay, it's Kessie, and I'm gonna say live on SVTV Africa.
I enjoy the
yeah, we have normal by SVTV. There's a sound when you giddy. But because my members are back to we are Bema, we are strong. You are not growing younger.
Yeah.
Relationship, remember relationship. Are you going out on your baby or supporter and you train yourself? Okay, first of all, baby or supporter, when your baby go out.
No, there be many of bank.
To a single,
me uncle for almost supporting me. That can earlier.
You only girlfriend.
Me, my support.
You only girlfriend.
Hey,
fresh boy out here, only girlfriend.
Yeah, focus it.
I so girlfriend ain't just on focus. Okay, sign in about for being me out.
Oh no, I know the one say Obia need the opinion. Obia need the reason or the card you person can.
That's what band bit me more ideas.
Oh, say to Obia, a Jumana me, a different from normal Ejuma. Then I say, we say a true. Ejuma, we know who say a true. It is a win to me and Tintimonasi. We have mixed factor. You know, when you are focused enough and you are stable, which means so nice for me, you are they can think of
it. At which year ben now bomb by saying Yankopoma when stable?
Oh, maybe Yankopoma is stable watching a crowd, but you know,
so stable, not to say, channel, yes, stable, channel. No, and what? And no, me, person, mate, yes, you know, it age ben now person will worry Kessie.
Oh, and only the
so no, maybe you should me mean decode the acceptance no we code no. The reason is that age ben Yankopon say ask so be sir Yankopon mo me no tie Yankopon tie me be say age ben and na person wo fi say oh my mama say 35 40 maybe 32 45 me say sad na Yankopon be tie into me be say age ben na Kessie o person settle down.
And only
first answer na my second question.
And only in my private life.
Oh, and remember your private life.
I have my private life.
Okay, your private life.
Between me and my God.
And God, okay.
Yes.
Okay, no, we baby so say type of oba dey.
Oba
me no. And no, oba me so ko warrior, oba me na obi ope. Short, obi ope tall, obi ope say. Nti oba me na wo Kessie. Type ben office oba say na me pe.
Oh, I don't say.
And no your private. And no your private. Kessie, and no your private me nyane.
Oh, and say.
Oh, obi me pam oba o calm.
They say. They meet me and say me worry me and say yes.
What worry wanna? What me? That's also so well. Oh,
black is beauty. What I say, you know.
It's over why bro, you why black. Bro. Nobody on bad may have cast. But who was it and saying send me a cock was about tribe near dear, and you worry women, you worry women, it is I want.
Yeah,
Ghana.
Yeah, me too.
What's in offer say?
Oh, Obiani,
they are so for now in the status that
we are in your opinion.
How heard you? Charlie, my main comments, Kaka, and as Jeffrey says, I'm seeing myself as Kessie. I'm seeing myself as Kessie in the near future.
Wow.
I have similar experience, but I don't sing. Okay. So Raskin Mobo say, Bones beat. Bones beats.
And yet Bones are
he's a Nigerian producer, studio at La Trade Fair. Score Center.
Trigmatic.
Nobody
knows too.
I also don't know what studio. No, because that studio. Ebenezer was Alotia says was my Canada. Let me go. Ajay Kofi says, "Wow, okay." Kofi Benz, thanks for watching. Ado Kwesi Odame, thanks for watching. You can drop your comment. Because the entry this is also maybe I also private life type of voice also private life. Also on person Becca, everyone say, "Oh, yeah,
we want to surprise.
We're surprised here. It is your current, What's him only parents that year and what?
Oh, there be Matemi home.
See, a big boy.
Me watching what?
Oh, you're a big boy. Actually, what level?
Nyamisha.
Yamisha. It's not me besides it wasn't me besides in Numa to see a video about and
Yes. Yes, I'm working on a video for Sweet Jesus.
Sweet Jesus video ain't check about. But I'm not sorry supporting one.
Oh yes.
Sorry,
yes.
And a gospel artist be say sorry in support you. So share a sorry put you a sorry. Could try videos near there. Office and can maybe you do a can sorry to me support gospel musician. Who say?
Well, if you are minim a sorry musician konoko. Tin o se bibia mu no obenye obi amana support you. Baby so obenye obi man support it. Na me ma sorry they support me. Yeah, they support me you know. Like I can live with here. I don't know about Nipan.
Maybe say advice on man so you can use
yes.
Sorry for support it.
Sorry for support it. Yes, because the same way you really have a stars. You can even tell me sorry say oh me top as 5. Oh, I think they should also do the same thing because the young ones no more sorry no. And also we encourage you. Now you say
Kessie, meaning Kessie SBTV Africa. Hey, Kessie, your sister you say oko Nigeria G award then they see China girls they worry you papa. It be true.
Just worry me.
Hey, they say not girls, they say that girls say how?
Who said
those days?
Me na me stubborn sir. Who said the kind of nyum na me you know they love my music. I'm open nyum.
But yes, open say oh now we are not shout, now clear.
No. Who said a love song, a odonyum. And I was embarrassed they have heart for love.
For love. Okay.
It's
a heart so for gospel. Catch on.
Yes. And they're having it too. They are having it. If your calling
so is target market here, man.
If your calling is real, you don't struggle. How can my target be up? It is across.
Yeah, across. Okay.
It is across.
Me the woman, we have.
I know.
So
what's the opinion?
It's you can't say. Kasi, but before I sign it out. Recently, we will be online. Say, a former manager be na then now nene. Also, what banging rough. And I'm online. We will portal Ghana website. They say also former manager. Only not that rough near there. Now you be my miss now former manager no or your girl. No, I need to check me.
On your former man. Me na me pesa me can was be
but then now will be too more.
On your me former manager. What I say?
No your day.
No or me ex.
Your ex?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And she wasn't my former manager. And we are still cool. We talk all that. And, you know, sometimes I should I feel that people shouldn't judge a book by its cover. When who said will be a caption something at least read watch the video before you judge the person. What I say, you know, someone can caption it for people to just like it and then get views. And, you know, the person will write something that will make people write something that will be attractive. But yes, it is a yes, just yes. And I even praised the person on her that she was very supportive. But I don't know what happened. And Nipani into me couldn't write the praises that I praised the girl, but rather said something that I didn't say. Even when I was doing secular music, I never did that. How much more I'm into Christ, and I will say this.
I don't say no. A few people pray or yeah.
Oh yeah, it hurt me. For someone. For a renowned presenter to ask me that I heard you've asked the same question. I heard you were going out with this person, and I said yes. I didn't even mention anything like manager. I didn't even mention anything. It was a yes thing, and I even kept on repeating that she's been helpful. And I even said that she was the last person that encouraged me that you have to do gospel music, and I will support you. This is what I said. So the person couldn't find something nice out of maybe Kessie praises her ex. What I say? Kessie said he did this, but to write what I didn't say, it's very hurtful. And you know when it goes out like that, people be insulting you. I saw a lot of posts, people passing by will go will buy 10 megabytes and come and degrade your brand. What I say. So I think if you see something online, try and find out. And some of the bloggers too, find out. Because if you go and do your story out of what you didn't investigate, it means you are tarnishing the person's image. It is hurtful. When you can't have one,
but everybody saying, say everybody so about works now can soon be full.
Well, I don't. Yeah.
I know one friend.
No. Because the video, I didn't say that because people and a lot of people too know say I can't say that. So they'll go, no, Kessie can't say that. So they'll go and watch the video. So if you watch the video, you'll be like, so why did this person write this? You get, because it is not what I said. It is good. It is part of this business. It is part.
Many Kessie were SBTV Africa Entertainment 3D Fire Kasasa Kessie Akasa Kasasa time goes. Interado Kwesi, Dami, thanks for watching. Bright Bewa, thanks for watching. Nice one. Or say, yeah. So, Charlie, Kessie, Mami, you wrap up. You say, Kasaka crap. Last words, they didn't know Kashaman for social media handles. Follow me. And in more platform, you already have your marketing in signing up.
Okay, you can find me on Facebook, Kessie Ghana, and on Twitter too is at Kessie Ghana, and on Instagram it is at Real Kessie GH. Yes, you.
The
official Kessie GH. Yes, and find my YouTube account Kessie Ghana and subscribe and watch my lovely videos there.
Kessie everywhere.
Kessie everywhere. Well, it is not easy in life. It is not easy, especially when you are turning to Christ. You get bashment from every other angle because seeing the light is like, or doing the work of God is like carrying the cross. The cross is very heavy. So when you are carrying it, you fall down, you rise, you fall down, they'll push you aside. But finally, He will bring you to a place of abundance. So don't stop worshiping God. He is the best.
Don't stop worshiping God. But maybe some before on the light on
questions.
Maybe South Saturday way. And right, say. You be debate Bible. I saw for me no better trust in the Bible. No more debate. Hey, no God na come answer kasa. Uni Bible. Kakra wo shiano. And right say I saw for be debate. Like you be to say afraid debate. Say I saw for him bro. You know they read. We show now. Minimum Bible say. And right some be debate. Say Bible.
I say you how I make you nipa adwin and the wisdom of God. In the first place, me, I believe in God. If I say I believe in God, I believe in His words. I believe in His Bible. So there's no need for me to debate Him. If I debate the Bible, it means I'm debating God, because He wrote the Bible. So if you tell me, say, Charlie, ufi bano, unya scout form, then I'll tell you, because I miss me fifi bano, me nya scout form. You are telling lies. You are lying. What should so nya scout form? No. If you love God, you don't debate it. It means you are confusing someone who wants to turn to Christ. But we should rather encourage people. We shouldn't debate God. If you debate the Bible, you are debating God. And God is not debatable.
If I'm DJ Nyame, which I'm SBTV Africa, producers Kobe Sakite, DJ Click, like you pay and subscribe to your YouTube channel, SBTV Africa, social media handles SBTV Africa. Who business, who products, who personal marketing, SBTV Africa. Free was 0240 677 898. Who be be up personal show with so your up and coming artists or music video. Link up SBTV Africa. Your entertainment redefined. It's Umo Chroma as usual from tour, Magic to tour. It's tour.